Hi everyone, it's phonics time again. Yesterday we were working on the sounds and oo, which we can write like this. You found lots of words that had and oo in. Today, for number 1, we're going to recap on that new sound and oo, and you're going to read some words with that in. Number 2, we're going to introduce a new sound today, and it's the first sound from group 6. It is y. So let's crack on with exercise 1. We're going to have some words on the screen for you to read. Your job is to sound out carefully. Do you need or oo as you read it? Let's do the first one together. Let's sound out. B. K. What word is that? Book. Yes, it's the book. Well done. I'm now going to go through the other words for you. If I'm going a bit too quick, then you can press pause on each slide so that you've got time to sound out and point to the picture that you think you have read. Start with this one. Remember, if I'm going too fast, you can pause. Well done. You read the and oo words. If it was too quick and you want to go back, you can. Or if you want to do another job, maybe writing the words yourself or sounding them out for a friend to play What Am I Talking About, then you can do that too. Let's move on to our number 2 job. Here is our new letter sound. It is y. It's lunchtime at school, and these 2 children are eating a yellow yogurt. That has the same sound at the start. Yellow yogurt with their sandwiches. God, we don't get sandwiches at our school, do we? They eat the yogurt saying y. Yummy yellow yogurt. That sound is y. I'm going to read some of the words on the page now. See if you can listen carefully and blend the words together. What am I talking about? Y, s, yes, y, o, yell, y, e, yummy, y, o, yellow, yellow. Brilliant. So our new sound is y. I'm going to trace it. If we had a line, the line would be here, and the y would sit on the line with its tail going underneath. Now you need to get a pencil and some paper, because it's your turn to practice y. I would like to see you write y 5 times. If you want to first, use your magic finger and trace with me to make a y. A cup and a very long tail underneath. On a line, on a whiteboard, or on a piece of paper, however you're going to practice your y. Do 5, please. I'm going to try and do that one a little bit neater. Maybe I can do it even neater. Oh yes, that's my best one so far. Keep going and pause the video until you have also written 5. When you finish writing your y letters, all we've got left to do is to write 2 words. Your first word that you need to write is yes. Start by sounding out yes. Once you've sounded it out, you can write it down. Y, s. Off you go. If you need a bit more time to finish writing yes, pause the video. Our last word for today is yum. Oh, yum. I like yogurt. Can you write yum on the line? Watch out. Listen for that middle sound. It's an not an ah. Y, Well done, everybody. That was some really fantastic phonics, and I can't wait to see your y writing. Have a great day.